DAME is a data mining web application that can be used to extract knowledge from massive datasets. In this short demo, we are going to use a dataset from the Sloan Star Catalog. The goal is to identify candidate quasars using only photometric colors. To do so, we are going to build a neural network trained on a subsample of spectroscopically confirmed quasars. The first step is to launch DAME in our browser. This is the main screen with the workspace, file manager, experiments area, and links to science cases and documentation. The first thing to do is to create a new workspace. Once the workspace is created, we can upload our dataset. Once the file has been uploaded, we can find it in the file manager. Clicking on Edit, we can take a look at the content and perform some pre-processing tasks, like feature selection and normalization. Since we are going to use a supervised learning approach, we need to split the dataset into one for training and one for testing. Now the next step is to create the actual experiment. Here we can choose between many data mining models, from neural networks to self-organizing maps, support vector machines, k-means, and so on. Running mode, we are going to choose full. That means that we are going to do both the training and the testing. Number of input neurons is 4 because we have 4 parameters, the 4 colors. And we are going to apply a tenfold cross-validation and a cross-entropy error in order to have actual probabilities in output. Once the experiment is finished, we can take a look at the results. Especially useful to assess the goodness of the classification is the confusion matrix, where the rows represents the true classes and the columns the predicted ones. In this case, we can see that we have a 97% of correct classification for both classes. That means that our network is actually capable to discern between quasars and non-quasars objects just using the color information. That ends our brief demo. Clicking on Documents, you can find many useful tutorials also regarding the machine learning models implemented in DAME. Thank you and happy data mining!